For 60 years, my grandmother grew the most beautiful garden on our street. Tomatoes the size of softballs, roses that bloomed from May to October, and she never, not once, bought a bottle of fertilizer from the store. Her neighbors used to ask her secret. She'd just smile and say, "I don't feed my plants. I feed my soil." I didn't understand what she meant until years later. Today, I'm going to share 4 of her zero-cost recipes, the same ones that modern science now confirms actually work better than anything you can buy. And recipe number 3, that was her personal favorite. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Your soil is alive. It's full of billions of tiny microbes, and those microbes are like medicine for your plants. When you feed the soil, you wake up those microbes. They break down nutrients and deliver them straight to your plant's roots. Grandma knew this 60 years ago. Modern science finally caught up, and these recipes work in zones 3 through 10. So no matter where you garden, this applies to you. Let's start with the most powerful one. 2 years ago, my tomatoes were struggling. Yellow leaves, small fruit. No matter how much I watered them, nothing worked. Then I remembered what Grandma used to do every spring with charcoal from the fireplace. Within 3 weeks, those same plants were loaded with fruit. This is called biochar. Biochar. And it's one of the most powerful soil builders you can make. Here's what you need. Crushed charcoal. Not the kind with lighter fluid. Just plain natural charcoal. You can use leftover charcoal from a fire pit, decomposed manure or compost. About half a cup. Molasses. Just 2 tablespoons. This feeds the microbes. And non-chlorinated water. If you have city water, just let it sit overnight. Step 1. Crush the charcoal into small pieces. I like to put it in a bag and tap it with a hammer. Step 2. Put everything in a 5-liter bottle. Add the charcoal, the manure, the molasses. Step 3. Fill with water. Shake it up. Step 4. Poke a small hole in the cap so gases can escape. Then let it sit for 24 hours. Step 5. Dilute it. 1 bottle of this to 1 full bucket of water. Then pour it on the soil around your plants. And here's a bonus tip. Add some crushed eggshell to the bottle before you shake it. That adds calcium, which tomatoes and peppers love. One more thing. This recipe is completely safe for dogs and cats. So don't worry if they sniff around your garden. And notice, no heavy lifting here. Just a 5-liter bottle. You can do this sitting down if you need to. Quick question before we continue. Do you have charcoal at home right now? Yes or no? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Grandma never threw away a banana peel. She called them rose food. Every week, she'd collect them in a jar with some brown sugar. Her roses won the county fair 3 years in a row. This one is so easy, and it smells surprisingly sweet. You just need 2 things: overripe bananas or banana peels. The browner, the better, and brown sugar or molasses. Step 1. Layer the bananas and sugar in a container with a lid, about equal parts. Step 2. Mix it all together. Mash it up a little. Step 3. Cover it and put it in a dark place. A cupboard works great. Step 4. Wait 2 weeks. Give it a stir every few days. Step 5. After 2 weeks, strain the liquid. That liquid gold is your fertilizer. Now, the ratio. Mix about half a liter of this liquid into 5 gallons of water. then pour it on your plants. And here's the bonus tip. This is perfect for roses and any flowering plant. Bananas are packed with potassium, and potassium is what helps flowers bloom. You can do this entire process sitting at your kitchen table. No bending, no kneeling, just measuring and mixing. This works year-round in zones 9 and 10. In cooler zones, use it during your growing season. Last summer, my neighbor knocked on my door. He said, "I've been watching your garden for months. What professional fertilizer service do you use?" When I told him I make my own fertilizer for free, he didn't believe me. But after I showed him these recipes, he's never bought store fertilizer again. Now, here's Grandma's personal favorite. This is the one I teased at the beginning, and it's the fastest of all. Here's something most people don't know. Grandma was a baker, and she noticed that whenever she poured out old yeast water near her vegetable patch, those plants grew faster than anything else. Turns out she was 50 years ahead of the science. You need 3 things. 1 liter of lukewarm water, not hot, not cold, just comfortable. 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, that's about 20 grams, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 1. Add the yeast and sugar to the water. Stir gently. Step 2. Cover it. Keep it away from direct light. Step 3. Wait 30 to 40 minutes. When you see bubbles forming on top, it's ready. Step 4. Dilute it. 1 liter of this mix into 10 liters of water. That's it. You have a powerful root-boosting fertilizer. And here's the bonus tip. This is packed with vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids. It's especially good for root development. Use it on seedlings and transplants. The best part? It's ready in under an hour. This is the fastest recipe of all 4. No heavy lifting, just simple measuring at your kitchen table. And yes, this one is also completely pet safe. Okay, quick poll. Which one are you most excited to try? The banana one or the yeast one? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. This last one is the simplest of all. If you're brand new to homemade fertilizers, start here. All you need is rice and water. Option 1. When you rinse rice before cooking, save that cloudy water. That's it. Use it directly. Option 2. Soak rice in water for about 30 minutes, then strain and save the water. No dilution needed. Just pour it right onto your plants. And here's the bonus tip. This is perfect for seedlings and young plants. The starch in rice water promotes healthy growth and strengthens roots. This is the easiest recipe to start with if you're new to all this. Let me give you a quick recap. Recipe 1. Biochar, charcoal, manure, molasses. Ready in 24 hours. Recipe 2. Banana, banana peels and brown sugar. Ready in 2 weeks. Recipe 3. Yeast, yeast, sugar, and water. Ready in 40 minutes. Recipe 4. Rice water, just rice and water. Ready instantly. Apply any of these once every 2 to 3 weeks during your growing season. Store them in a cool, dark place. They'll keep for a few weeks. Let me say that one more time. 2 to 3 weeks between applications. Don't overdo it. Grandma passed away 5 years ago, but every time I make these fertilizers, I feel like she's still here, teaching me, guiding my hands in the garden. Now I'm passing her wisdom to you, because some knowledge is too valuable to keep to yourself. If you want more grandmother secrets like this, hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every week. Until next time. Happy gardening.